Assalamu alaikum. Aliza Khan is here. Today we are going to talk about speak in English fluently with some basic tips. This video will help you to start speak English fluently and with confidence. And I promise you that if you follow these tips for at least 1 month, then your English will be incredibly improved. In this video, I am going to share you 8 basic tips to start speaking English fluently. Now come to the tip number 1. Surround yourself with English. What does it mean? It means immerse yourself in English environment as much as possible. Like watch English movies, watch YouTube videos, listen to English music, reading books, join English speaking online communities. The more you surround yourself in English, the faster you speak in English fluently. It doesn't matter where you are. You can improve your English speaking skill with this tip. Now come to the tip number 2. Tip number 2 is speak out loud. It's important for you to speak out loud, to practice out loud whenever you can. You can describe your environment, your everyday activities. You can describe some situations from your life, or just talk to yourself in English. This will help you to feel more confident, to make sentences, to organize your thoughts in your mind, and think about any activity. It doesn't matter wherever you are, whether you are in your room, you're in your kitchen, or maybe in your vehicle. Think about any activity and describe it to yourself. So it's an amazing tip to start saying whatever you want to say and whatever you want to describe to yourself. Tip number 3 is have conversation with native English speakers. Talk with the people who speak English as their native language, as their first language. Have conversation with them. This will help you to understand how words are used naturally, and this will help you to correct your mistakes. Basically, the native English speakers will help you to correct your mistakes. Join language exchange groups or look around for your English speakers. And voice messages and language learning apps are also helpful for your English speaking skills. Practice with the friends, teachers, and people who speak in English. So this tip is also helpful for your English speaking skills. Tip number 4 is write something in English almost every day. Write about your day, your thoughts, or anything you like. It's a very cool way to practice writing. After a few months, you can look back and see how much your English has improved over time since the beginning. Now it's time to come for tip number 5. Record yourself speaking and listening to that recording. This will help you to understand in which area you need to improve. Say whatever you want to say in English and just listen it. This tip can help you to progress with the passage of time, and you will notice how much your English speaking has been improved since then. Now come to the tip number 6. Tip number 6 is memorize different English phrases and use them in in different contexts. Learn English phrases and use in different situations. Start from the very common phrases and practice while talk to someone. Even you can use Google and different types of dictionaries for common phrases. I will make another video just for phrases. So come to the next tip. Be consistent. Basically, consistency is very powerful. Practice every day is power of consistency. Speak to everyone, or speak to English native speakers, or speak to friends, teachers, and conversation, and write anything every day. Just do 4 to 10 minutes. Even you can practice just 4 to 10 minutes. Just do every day. Consistency means you are going to do anything every day. Then you'll be able to speak in English. Last point is listen and imitate native English speakers. If you want to speak and sounds like native English speakers, then you have to imitate them. Basically, pronunciation is very important thing. I'm a non-native English teacher and I use these tips to speak in English fluently. And you know what? I started speaking better and better. So if this video is helpful for your English speaking skills, then please support my channel and subscribe my channel. I need more followers, I need more watch time. So please support my channel. Thank you so much.